In the world of academic and professional gatherings, conferences, seminars, and workshops stand as distinct forms of interaction. Each serves a unique purpose and format, catering to different audiences and types of engagement. Understanding these differences can enhance your participation and learning at such events. Conferences are grand exhibitions of knowledge sharing, often hosting prominent experts and researchers from various fields. These multifaceted events typically span several days and encompass a range of activities like keynote speeches, panel discussions, and poster presentations. Imagine a bustling hall filled with eager participants, exchanging ideas and insights from the latest studies. Though the interaction is primarily one-sided, with speakers addressing the audience, there are organized Q&A sessions where curious minds can engage directly with the experts. Ultimately, conferences aim to disseminate cutting-edge research and foster networking opportunities among peers, creating an environment charged with inspiration and collaboration. In contrast, seminars provide a more focused learning experience. These gatherings usually take place in smaller settings, allowing for a closer connection between speakers and audience members. Picture a classroom setting where the topic of discussion is climate change policy, facilitated by knowledgeable experts. Participants are often a mix of students and professionals, eager to expand their understanding of specific subjects. Seminars encourage moderate interaction through structured lectures, complemented by opportunities for Q&A and thoughtful discussions. While they retain a level of formality, the intent is to deepen understanding, rather than simply share grand ideas, making them ideal for learners looking for focused insights. Finally, workshops are the epitome of hands-on learning. Envision a lively space where participants actively engage in practical exercises, such as programming small web applications. Workshops are designed for those wishing to cultivate specific skills or solve particular problems in an interactive environment. Unlike the other formats, workshops thrive on collaboration, with high levels of participant involvement through group work and real-time activities. This environment not only promotes learning by doing, but also fosters networking among individuals with similar interests and goals. In essence, workshops empower attendees through direct participation and experiential learning, making them an invaluable resource for skill development.